shadows creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat. I didn't think we could fall in love.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. Misty's still in her bed and Roxy's trying to reach her butthole. Hey! Hey, Roxy! What are you doing, Rox? Today is Friday and I'm not in the other house. I'm here. Because I decided just to stay here. Good girl. I yelled to Roxy. I feel bad now. She walked away and then lay down into her bed, back to her bed. Look. You guys, Roxy is so mad at me. If you wanna watch that, it's gonna be in the other channel. I was in my laptop and you know what she does? Jumping over here, scratch me, and you know her nails long. I don't really usually cut their nails. I'm afraid because we did hurt her. Remember before Tommy cut the thing and then he cut too much and then the blood just keeps squirting and freak her out. She limping like that, and so that's why I'm afraid to cut their nails. I did cut their nails once, but it really short, only very tiny, so I don't know how to cut dogs' nails, and we don't go to the grooming here is expensive, so I need to learn how to cut their nails. I have to look on YouTube. But anyway, she just kept jumping on me, and I tried to edit the video for today, and then just blah, I yelled at her like, get down, Rosie, down. I yelled at her, and you know what? She walked away and go to her bed. And if you wanna watch it when she react when she's mad. You guys ready for din din? Do you ready for breakfast? Are you ready for breakfast?
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
So I just called my friend. She sent me a text. I think that was last night. No, yeah, I think it was a text or a Facebook message. She sent me a message because her dad, you know Remy, the one that have a birthday that I went to, feel sad for her, guys. I called her, I text her a message and she doesn't reply, and so I called her, and And yeah, I talked to her for a while. She's been here in the US for I think 9 or 11 years already, and she haven't back to the Philippines because she been working her ass off. You know, she been working hard. So yeah, so it's just really sad news for her. I have to call her and comfort her a little bit. Condolence to my friend. I know she's not watching my video because she's busy, guys. So her daughter is here in the US visit for 2 months, so she doesn't have a phone. So I'm gonna let her use my phone, this one, the old one that I used, guys, because Tammy gave me this phone. So I'm gonna let her use this phone, and then when she go back to the Philippines, she can bring 3 phones to her to send to my family to Davao. It's broken CD, oy. We need another CD. I can't find my CD. I have a CD that it's really good music, but I can't find it. You know, maybe it's still in the other house. I don't know, who knows. You want to sleep and you don't want to go to sleep? You can go to sleep, baby. You can go to sleep. You can go to sleep. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Yes, of course you can. Of course you can't. Of course. No. Of course you can. Because I vacuumed yesterday down here. Now it's time to do upstairs. You know, it's hard when you have a big house. I don't really want a big house, guys. But of course, my husband wants a big house. So I can't really do nothing about it. And I'm going to the laundry. And it's already 1:30 in the afternoon. I did a Clearasil already for my pimples. Where is that freaking thing? I clean up the table with my makeup over there. So much stuff going on. The dog, when they try to do their business, they have to sniff everywhere. Like, they're looking for their, you know, the place that where they just keep going. And Misty's right there eating her bone. And anyway, guys, nothing else going on. Remember, we have a flower right here, different vase. I transferred this. I transferred this whatever's in there and transferred to the nicer one. But that's not belong over there anyway. For now, I put it right there. Before we go, before we're gonna move into this house, I'm going to ask our neighbor in the other house. I'm gonna ask them. They have a pussy willow tree, pussy willow, and I'm gonna ask them if I can have some that I can plant this over here, that over here, because the pussy willow stick, it's really good for decoration. My neighbor over there, when he's still alive, he died already, but when he's still alive, Tammy and I are outside cleaning his car, doing like car wash, you know, and he came up to me and he said, "MaryAnn, there's pussy willow stick in there." Like, you know what pussy willow stick? It's like this. It's like you have a tree and then they have a kind of flower kind of thing. It's not a flower, and there is like this, and that's pussy willows, guys. They sell it on the store for like few like this, and they tied it, and it costs like $3 something, $2 something. It's almost $3. It's expensive, so this is for free. He gave this to us. When he gave it to me, it's still fresh. It's just new pick from the tree. So I plant it in the backyard in the other house. I plant it. I don't know if you see that in my previous vlog. I don't know if I vlogged it. I'm sure I did. And then I put it on the ground, and then 3 years later it's grow like big, and then that tree is already gone because when my mother-in-law and my husband hired somebody to fix the backyard, to do something because of the flooding, but doesn't resolve the problem. When they dig in the backyard in the other house, they dig that tree and then they don't even put it back. They just like throw it, and I'm so pissed what they don't put it back. Hi guys, I forgot to film. No, I forgot to tell you that I'm eating right now, and I'm having Tabasco, which is my favorite, even it's so spicy. And I was watching also Will Dosavich vlog from Malaysia. Yung chicken ko, guys, my chickens from last night was really tasty. It was really tasty, guys.
Yo, haven't even started my vlog yet today. Good morning, guys. How you doing? Do you know how much I love blueberries now, Zoe? Like, I love blueberries.
Okay, I think, oh my god, I forgot to shut the light off in here. Oh, I have a laundry too. I'll do it later, guys. Anyway, I think it's time for me to do my drony anoni. Anyway, the dog hate this drone. Where's Roxy? Yep, Roxy's there. Come here. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Okay. I don't know you guys if you can see me, but yep. Oh my god, it's in the roof. Okay, Rox. It's Lobat Roxy. Look at Roxy's and Misty's, guys. They're right there. You guys are afraid. Look at their face. Look at Misty, guys. Look at Misty. I don't know if you can see. Look. She's shaking, guys. She's shaking. Look at her. Look at her, guys, shaking. She woke really. Are you afraid of the drone? She's shaking. Poor dog. Okay, guys, that was fail. The thing is Lubat. I need to charge it, Rox. What are you doing in the office, Roxy girl? You guys are not allowed in here. Daddy says so. Fixing a broken heart. Oh yeah. I don't understand love. Oh, where is still wet? It's still wet. Oh shit. Okay, it's still wet. That's from yesterday and I still can feel the wet. Or maybe it's just the feeling it's cold.
Between the two of you being in different planets.
I'm just editing and the dog is just asleep. This is what happened when you do. This is what happened, guys, when you do daily vlogging, guys. You have to edit every day. It's so tiring. I love vlogging, guys. I do like it, but the editing, guys, especially if I'm awake at early in the morning. She woke up because I'm talking and she kept looking at me, so I have to close my eyes and not look at her. So I love vlogging, guys, but right now I kind of really sleepy. I want to sleep, but I don't want to. I want to edit this video and edit another video and edit another video and apply another job. Just keep applying job, guys. I've been looking at new jobs posted in the website that I went to. The dogs woke up. Ning mata ang mga ahak. Oh. You're a weird dog. You're just a weirdo. Okay, Roxy, you have to move because I can't even do this thing. I don't want to drop my laptop. My laptop is more important than you guys. Guys, I just been editing and now my thing is stinking. My thing is low bat. My thing, you mean my thing, that means my laptop is low bird. So I'm gonna let them out, guys, because they won't leave me alone, guys. They won't leave me alone. Oh, look at the noise. They won't leave me alone. It's nice outside though. Hala, naglumba mo ng mga kigwahon. Naglumba, magdagan mo ng mga gamay, oy. Hala, Roxy. So there is people outside and I kind of like, oh my god, I'm talking, I feel it, and there's like the neighbors busy playing. They're busy playing, they don't even know I'm coming. Behave. Hey, Roxy. Oh my god, this dog. Roxy, you're gonna cripple your sister. Roxy, it's so nice. Enough, Rox. No, enough. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? Oh my god, it's 7:27 in the evening and I haven't eaten anything yet, guys. I don't feel like having anything. I probably just gonna have ice cream later. I'm gonna have ice cream later. I have different kind of ice cream. I think 2 different kind of ice cream. The one that Tommy got, I don't know. I told you this before. This is the one that I think chocolate fudge brownie. This is Tommy's chocolate ice cream. I know I have another one for me right here, but we still have it. Okay, I'm gonna have the other one that I have over there. It's the ice cream with almonds, which is my favorite, guys. My favorite. I love almonds, guys. It won't focus anymore. Ice cream time. Okay, that light. So ice cream, and my pups cannot have it. This is with marshmallow, I think. Let me sway. Why it's soft? It's supposedly be close. Marshmallow, Rocky Road, ribbon of marshmallow, swirled chocolatey cover. I'm gonna do insert shout out, guys, for today's video. I don't have any screenshots on my laptop, so I guess it's on my phone, and let's check it out, guys. Shout out to Cherry Cross. Hi Cherry Cross, and to her mother-in-law, 75 birthday this coming April 15. Already belated happy birthday, mother-in-law of Cherry Cross. Hi, thank you guys for watching. And also shout out to Turnip Green GG, congratulations. And also shout out to his future bride, Jolie Grace. Hi, thank you for watching, congratulations. And shout out to G Love You from Sydney. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Scarlett Cruz, happy birthday to her husband this coming April 21 from the Philippines. Happy birthday. And also shout out to Maria Gloria Inot and to her son Justin Ivan Inot. Hi. And also shout out to Chiska Lariusa I can't see the whole name on your Facebook, sis, but yes, shout out to you. And also she want me to shout out her guapa Madam Idil Limin Kohler. I pronounced it wrong. I'm sorry. But yeah, shout out to Madam. She said to her Madam na guapa. They're in Kuala Lumpur right now, Malaysia. Hi! And also shout out to Hazel Lanutan at saka anak mo. Hi! Thank you for watching, guys. And if you want to be in my shout out and I haven't read your comment or you read your shout out, I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, so I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna try to look again if whoever wanna be shout or you can leave a comment down below you wanna be in shout out. But anyway, guys, yeah, but I'm so like trying to edit the video and do a shout out and take care of the dog because I'm gonna leave soon and take care of what I have to bring because Tammy told me to bring something to go back into the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ciao, bye, see you later. Oh my god, it's already halfway. I forgot that today is the original every Friday. I forgot. Hi guys. Ano na guys? 10 o'clock and 12 minutes. 10:12 now. It's already. It is late already. It's like amazing. I'm still awake. I don't feel like lying down yet, and I'm having problem with my Final Cut Pro because I updated today and because there is a new update, so I did update it. What happened was every time I transfer the file, then after editing you have to do render the file. I don't know if that's the look. It's not, it's share failed. My Final Cut Pro is having problem. I don't know how to fix this, guys. You can see, did you see that movement over there, that one right there? It's not supposed to be like that. There's something freaking going on. It's ridiculous. Look. So anyway, guys, bye bye, good night, bye.
No one compares, you stay